not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's up, y'all? Justzay here, back getting another pickup, and today we got a super duper special double unboxing. Today we are calling this one the best investment. That's because today we'll open up to the vault and we're gonna see which shoe aged appropriately as far as market value goes. And the importance of this is because we have not only one pair of shoes that come out this month, but the next pair of shoes come out the following month, and the colors are pretty similar. So for some of you guys might be on a budget, may not be able to get both pairs because the price did increase. So today we're unboxing a pair of Jordan 4s. These of course are the military blues, and the new name for the colorway that's coming back out is going to be the military blue for the Jordan 4s. And then the next pair of shoes we're going to unbox is going to be called the Jordan 9s. Now these are the university blue, and I believe they switched the name over to powder blue. So with that, the colors are pretty much the same. I believe just the name is changing. But let's get into it. Alright, so for the Jordan 9s, what you're going to get is you're going to get this beautiful shoe that is overall white leather with hints, well, I wouldn't say hints, but I would say a secondary color of a blue. And as I said before, they are changing this shoe up just a little bit. Now the difference is going to be, from what I tell from the images, is going around the upper part of this leather. There's going to be a hint of blue, the same color as what's right here. And then the only other difference that I've noticed from the images is that you're not going to get the number 23 right here. You also get this little Jumpman icon logo right here, but you're not getting the number 23. Outside of that, you're pretty much getting the exact same shoe that came out back in 2010. So is it going to be worth it? If you don't have a pair, I would say yes. But if you still have a pair that's in good condition, I'm going to skip on it, because to me this shoe is great to have, but it's not groundbreaking. I mean, it's a different color than what Jordan brand usually comes out with, but that's about it for me in my eyes. So when these came out, these were $150, and when they come back out again, they're going to be $210. And then what we have next is going to be the military blues. And pretty much the same thing. You're gonna get the exact same colors and the exact same pattern placement, except that this air bubble, which I'll show you in the next angle, is going to actually be blue. I'm sorry, it's actually be white. Mine is blue. And then instead of the Jumpman right here, you're going to get the actual logo of the Nike Air that you see. That's going to be, is it the same one? It's the OG one where it just says Nike check and then Air. And then you're going to have white right here. Everything else, exactly the same. Now I love the 4s, so part of me is going to want to get a second pair of these, even though it's going to be pretty much another price hike. These came out, they were $160, and that was back in 2012, I believe. And they're going to come back out again in April at $215. So if we do 100 likes, I'll buy both and just do a comparison again for you guys. Alright, so the Jordan 4s, as I was telling you guys, the bubble, the air pod is actually blue. Can I get the light on there so you guys can see it? Can you guys see? Yeah, you should be able to see that. There we go. This pair is blue. The pair that's coming back out is supposed to be white or a shade of gray. But other than that, and this part right here, you're gonna get the Nike logo in air. You're gonna get the exact same shoe as this one. You're gonna get the leather in an off-white. You're gonna get the neutral gray at the toe box and the accents of the military blue throughout the whole shoe. The fishnet is gonna be exactly the same in exact same spots. You're gonna get the Jumpman logo with the flight. And oh shoot. Like I said, I do wear my shoes every once in a while, so that's what these bags are for creases. Matter of fact, this is how you can tell if a person really wears their shoes or not, how often they wear them. You can still see the Jumpman intact. You can see the number size right there, 10. And of course, I told you guys these are from 2012. Can you see that? Let's see if we can focus. Yeah, right there, size 10, 2012. The only hints of me wearing these is at the toe box. But if you're really pressed about it, you can steam this out. I only worn these a handful of times, but you know, nonetheless, let's check the value of these if they were brand new and unworn in dead stock. You guys know how I feel about StockX, so I'm going to show you what the Flight Club has them at. So we're looking at 528 brand new DS, and honestly, in this condition, if I was to clean these could probably easily go for a cool 200. If you want these, let me know. We'll work out something. These are one of my favorite shoes, but I actually like the red pair. I have more than this, so I'm definitely open to letting these go. Oh, let's see what the value is currently. So the current value for these in 2010, if these were DS, you're looking at 358. I don't know if I would sell these, but if I did sell these, I would probably sell them for retail, which is, I think I paid $150 for these, so I would probably say around that range if somebody really wanted these, because I don't really wear them. I just, it's not that I don't like Jordans, I don't like the way they feel. They're just not comfortable. I just wish they updated the tech a little bit. You know, if they did that, I'll probably wear a lot more, or maybe even buy some more, but other than that, man, you know. But as far as investment goes, I think both are a great investment. As you can tell, they both double in the pricing.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
You're doing good. High five.